Hello everyone, I'm Selena from 3rd year CSC. This is my 7th experiment of system software and compiler lab. This experiment is about predictive parser. Predictive parsing we studied in theory. So basically in this what we are doing in parsing table we are given some inputs we have given some inputs. So according to that inputs are given in two-dimensional. According to that we are giving some input, and that input will be passed. It will be scanned from left to right, and then as you can see here in stack we are storing $e. So it will take what basically is happening in this. It will take the index of e and index of id. First, all the terminals and non-terminals are stored in array, one-dimensional array, and through using that we'll look for the index of e and id. After that we'll get the index value of e and id. According to that, from the table, parsing table, we'll get the right hand side, we'll get this value, and we'll put that in a stack. We'll put that in stack in reverse order by replacing e with e dash t. As you can see, e arrow t here, t e produces t e dash, so e will be replaced by e dash t in reverse order. According to that, again it will look for the index of t and id, and according to that whatever value is there, and that will be put into stack in reverse order. And if epsilon is there, then nothing will get added, nothing is being replaced. And then at the end it will check if stack and input both have dollar symbol remaining. If both are dollar and both are equal, then it means it is getting accepted. So for that, as you can see here, first I'll show you the output. Here I have given output. First I'm taking the number of terminals and non-terminals that we need. So the terminals I have given here 4 and non-terminals as 5. Then list of terminals I have given here Q, A, B, dollar, and then for non-terminals I have given here S, A, B, C, D. And after that we are giving input to the two-dimensional parsing table. Wherever there is values, wherever it is producing something, we are giving here just the string or whatever it is producing. We'll just write that. If nothing it is producing, then we'll leave it. And if it is producing epsilon, then in place of epsilon we are using here at the rate, and we are displaying it as table. After that it is checking if it is accepted or not by passing this string. We are taking first the string to be checked if it is accepting or not. Then according to the way I explained before, according to that it is checking, is replacing and reversing and putting it in stack in reverse order, and it is again checking indexes and then again replacing and reversing and putting it into stack, and at the end it will check if stack and the input both are remaining as dollar. It means it is getting accepted. So first I'll explain before. This is Java program. So first I have created two scanner objects to get the input from user, and then I have defined here a string array, one is for terminals and one is for non-terminals. Then I am taking the input from user, the number of terminals and number of non-terminals, and then list, and then the terminals and non-terminals, the values, and I am storing it in a in array, and two-dimensional string array in which the entries will be given, and then after that this code I have given in do while loop. Here what it is doing, here we starting state we are taking as $stack, and means that we are putting it into stack, and then we are taking the input the string to be checked if it is getting accepted or not. That will be appended with dollar at the end, and it is checking if input is containing dollar or not. If it is containing dollar, then it is coming inside the while loop. Also, if input is not containing dollar, it is coming inside this while loop, and then it is printing stack, whatever is there in stack it is printing that, and then temp is given value of the inputs character at index 0, and then in C whatever is there in C, in that we are appending in the temp value, and then in temp value we are taking again the stacks from stack we are putting the value in temp character at where it is given stack dot length -1, means from top it will take value and it will get added to PWS, and then it is taking the substring and it is checking if both are equal or not. If C and PWS both are equal or not, means the stack and the input part both are equal or not. Or here what is happening, it is checking it for a row. As I told you before, like they are taking the index value. Here the same thing they are doing, they are taking the index value of this is XR. They are taking the index value of row and then index value of column according to the state whatever it is coming, terminal and non-terminal, and then it is taking the value according to that. Like if in S and Q is there, in stack S is there, and in input string Q is there, then it will take the index of both. Index of this will be 0, index of this will be 0, in 0 0, and in that whatever is there it will take that, it will reverse it and it will put it in stack. And that is happening here. Here it is reversing and then putting it into stack, and then it is checking if both is dollar or not. If both are dollar, it means it is accepted. If both are if stack and input both are not dollar, it will print not accepted, or else invalid table input provided. And if you want to do it again, we can do it, means to run. That's why we have given here while we put that code in do while loop. So this was my 7th experiment of compiler lab. Thank you for watching.